Organizations spend months in boardrooms debating whether to adopt artificial intelligence, but while they plan, 3/4 of knowledge workers are already actively using it. These employees aren't waiting for official rollouts. 78% of them bring their own unapproved AI tools to work. Nearly half of those workers input sensitive, non-public company data directly into public models. This behavior stems from a structural mismatch. Traditional corporate governance was built for closed systems, like CRMs, which have fixed inputs and outputs. Generative AI bypasses those boundaries entirely with free-form text and limitless applications. Applying legacy compliance rules to fluid technology creates a gap between the policy on paper and the reality in the office, leaving the ecosystem unmanaged. Most organizations treat AI as an isolated software application. In reality, it functions as foundational architecture. While a traditional tool remains bounded, the infrastructure grid rapidly expands, touching communication, data analysis, and decision-making simultaneously across every department. Without a steering mechanism, this expansive reach creates systemic friction. Organizations face widespread AI hallucinations, compounding compliance risks, and workflows operating entirely in shadows. Managing an entire infrastructural grid using the rules of a single power tool is the primary cause of modern organizational chaos. To solve this, Ali Reza Zarif AH developed the Controlled AI Work Model. It's an architectural blueprint designed to bridge the gap between total restriction and total freedom. The first pillar of this blueprint is role-based specialized access. Instead of a generic prompt box, AI access is tailored to an employee's specific tasks, their data clearance level, and their unique risk profile. The second pillar establishes a requirement for data minimization and abstraction, which must occur before any information reaches the AI system. This means employees strip away personally identifiable information and highly specific context from their prompts. You remove names and exact numbers, forcing the AI to solve the logic of a problem rather than processing a specific person. By enforcing strict roles and requiring data abstraction, AI becomes a predictable, highly structured component of the workflow. But theoretical guidelines fail if they rely entirely on perfect human memory or retrospective audits. If you only find a mistake after it happens, the damage is already done. Trust Prompt acts as a local governance layer. It intercepts data at a boundary checkpoint inside the browser. Sensitive text turns red and is blocked, while safe, abstract logic turns green and passes to the cloud in real time. This active, pre-send enforcement directly contrasts with traditional methods that only identify a data leak days or weeks after the fact. Trust Prompt serves as a circuit breaker. It provides the active braking system necessary to operate high-voltage AI infrastructure at maximum speed while maintaining boundaries. Even with these controls, the model has a hard operational boundary. The AI is designed to provide options and structure information, but it is never permitted to make final, autonomous decisions. This requires a human-in-the-loop approach. A human operator acts as the final filter, reviewing outputs and injecting the necessary real-world context that a machine can't see. Keeping a human at the wheel neutralizes the risks of AI hallucinations and contextual blind spots. It ensures the company maintains ultimate legal and strategic accountability for every outcome. True automation stops at the decision boundary. While the AI accelerates the calculation, the human operator retains the liability. Organizations typically start at maturity level 1, characterized by shadow IT and individual chaos. They evolve by implementing these structured workflows. At maturity levels 4 and 5, AI is fully integrated across departments like customer service, HR, and finance. In this state, using AI feels as mundane and secure as sending an internal email. Reaching this level of maturity transitions artificial intelligence from an unmanaged risk into a stable, enterprise-wide asset. Implementing the Controlled AI Work Model doesn't slow down work. By neutralizing the underlying data risks, it allows innovation to scale across the entire company. Ad hoc experimentation with isolated AI tools no longer meets the safety requirements of a secure enterprise. A company's competitive advantage will not be defined by which generative AI model they purchase. It will be defined by the operating infrastructure they use to control, steer, and harness it.